One of my favorites for working through the hips are some nice low side to side squats or side lunges, but you move nice and slowly. You can do foot down or heel up. I kind of like foot down. Come up a little bit higher into more of a parallel squat where your thigh is parallel to the floor, and then start moving, keeping your leg pressed out, knee over the foot. Start moving over to the other side, trying to get the other knee to get in line with your other foot. And this is my less flexible hip. So I'm really trying to focus in on this one. Opening it up. It really pays to move nice and slow and think about all the muscles that are kind of switching on as you start slowly moving up through the movement. So once you get your thigh parallel, top of your thigh parallel to the ground, start moving over to the other side.